Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Efren the Marketer, and you're probably wondering, well, Efren, you haven't posted in probably almost a year, and you're 100% right. It's been really difficult to try to get up and make videos and really show everything that's going on. If you've been following me for a while on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, you know that we pushed it all the way to the max, and we were opening up print shops. We have a marketing company. We're doing web design. We're doing this and we're doing that. We're doing events, and just like growing and growing and growing and growing. And over the last like 12 months, a little bit over 12 months, the cookie crumbled a little bit, as some of you guys might say. And I took a giant loss. I'm being transparent. I was thinking, I was like, should I tell people on YouTube or should I not? And then I was like, well, if I'm going to make this new series on my YouTube channel called Making $1 Million Back, it's going to be really tough for you guys to understand what's happening. So I took a huge L the last 3 years. Well, actually, probably the last 2 years, I lost over $1 million opening up print shops, buying machinery, investing into people. And I was definitely trying to take my skill level to something that I haven't done. I definitely learned a lot. Did I mention I lost $1 million? Yeah, I lost $1 million. So imagine trying to get up every day knowing you lost $1 million. To me, obviously, it's a lot of money. To some of you guys, it might not be. I got a call. Shooting my first YouTube video in a long time, and you called.
All right, well, this is more important than your YouTube video. I'm sorry. But I am 3 seconds away from blowing my head off. It's just been that kind of week. This is what I need from you. Can you hop on a Google Meet, please?
All right, let's do it. Send me the link.
Okay.
Let me jump on this Google Meets, and then I'll continue this conversation. What, being a weirdo?
Dude, he's so weird.
Yeah. All right. So apparently it's important. So I got to eat my lunch, have this meeting, and record a YouTube video. So this is my life, Mike. This is my life. I'm trying to get back to making...
No, support calls I gotta be taking.
I'm trying to get back to making content, and I just can't get the time to shoot a video. So now this is content.
You're a personality. You gotta get on video. Get yourself out
All
there.
right, bro. I'm gonna kill this kid.
You want me to go into the school thing, Zatkins school thing, and point people to the support, to the ticketing system, correct?
Yeah, we got to get it ready for the girl when she starts to like, hey, you need to go here and answer questions. And she's going to ask me a ton of questions, and then I'm going to ask you guys. But at least we're documenting it. It's on the support ticket and all that. So, all right. So just to catch you guys up, we definitely closed the print shop down, and we doubled down or quadruple down on web design and software design. So some of these softwares that we've been building, we aren't prepared to get as many sales because we just launched them. And there's a lot of softwares that are just like duds. And then there's a lot of softwares where just like, yo, you got $100,000 in sales the first month. And this is one of those reasons right now. It's like, the client launched and was like, well, it's better to trickle in some sales and we'll improve as we go. We launched it right off the gate. We had to onboard like 130 clients. The systems and processes, the people aren't hired yet, and just becomes a total mess. But that's what I've been dealing with. And that's why it's really hard to make YouTube videos, because I'm dealing with this every single day, Monday through Sunday, 24 hours a day. And then right now I got a meeting with the team, which I'm going to bring you guys along real quick, because why not? We'll go through this real quick and then go from there, because we got to add at least one thing in here.
Okay.
So we'll skip the lowrider one unless you got more information on that.
No, I texted Kenny too and I haven't heard back.
Okay. Finalized robot. I see that you got the robot design, the girl.
No, we sent the...
We had edits.
Oh, edits? Okay. Back in my office, and so what we do every morning, like when everybody gets here at 9 a.m., we have an alignment of things that we have to do here at the company, and then at 1 p.m. we go over the alignments we talked about at 9 a.m. to see how far we got in on that. So they're pretty much like tasks that are quad ones. If you don't know what the quads 1, 2, 3, and 4 are, it's pretty much like quad one's important. Clients can be either losing money or we need to go live because the due date's coming pretty soon. So we talk about it every single day. We don't let these meetings pass over 15 minutes, but it's super important so we all stay aligned as a company and everyone understands what their part is. We still have regular tasks that are quad 2s, 3s, and 4s, and we also have projects that are still working, but again, these meetings are only super important meetings. And so this is what I deal with every single day. And also, to throw on to the madness, I do want to say my sister hates me, by the way, on this. And I bought 25,000 shirts. One of my clients, one of the close friends, he goes, hey man, I have all these shirts that need to get away from the warehouse. And do you want them? I'll give them to you all at 12,000, pay for shipping. He's like, some of them are messed up. They are factory seconds. And I was like, let's say 30% are bad and I can sell the rest. Even if I sell them on eBay or something, I could make up some of my $1 million I lost. So of course I said, yes, let's run it. And I do have a mess in the office currently, which I'm going to show you. We do have a warehouse with all these shirts, but mostly I got to get these shirts out of here. But we have to have someone go through them one by one in order to know which ones are good and which ones are bad. But yeah, these are part of the 25,000 shirts that we got. So we have to go through every box, find the good ones, find the bad ones. We got boxes stuck like right here. We bring them from the warehouse. We load up this little section. We try not to make a mess because we have a lot more here. And we're going through all the boxes to find the good ones and remove the bad ones. And once the good ones are here, I'll stick them here. These are the good ones. And they get shipped out on eBay. That was something that has really nothing to do with Gold Level, but trying to make up that 1 mil. So also, this is another software we're creating. Give you guys more details on that one soon, but for this video we'll keep it simple. So that's another thing that I'm working on, and just to throw more on my plate. Plus we're still systemizing, hiring, taking on new clients and everything. And they're like, well, Efren, how do you have so much time? You're right. This is why we're going through the hiring process, to restructure everything, because we did let go of the print shop. And so I just said, look, I don't love this. Can I make the print shop work? Start making money on there? 100%. You can make money on anything you put effort into, but it's one of those things like, how much effort am I gonna need to put here in order to make money? And I don't even love print, to be quite honest. Like I'm the type of guy that likes to sit in the computer and either like code or do some type of marketing. I feel like print is too traditional and like old school marketing for me. So decided to make the cut and say, peace out. I'm getting back on track on everything. We're making money. We cut out all the fat. We got rid of the toxic people in our world, and we cleaned house, and we do have a team here. They're really talented, probably the most talented team I ever had in the last 9 years, so I'm super pumped about it. If you're out there in the world and things aren't going your way, just remember that anything you put time into eventually starts to work the way you want it to. Obviously, if you're trying to become an astronaut, maybe, I don't know about that, but I do want to say welcome back if you're still following me and subscribed. I do plan on making videos every single week. So if you're interested in the journey, please hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.